Welcome to this tutorial about the use of USAGraniteTools.com. And here, I'll show you the ropes about browsing around the site to find the products you might need, how to add products to the shopping cart, and how to buy at our site. We've done our best to create a very simple to use system. Therefore, there are many ways to interact with it. Let's start talking about the different ways to find products. There are 3 main ways to explore the catalog. Next, I'll show you all of them, so you can decide which one you feel more comfortable with. Our catalog is divided in 6 major categories, with subcategories to make it easier to find the products. First way, interact by using category icons. You'll find icons for diamond abrasives, undermount sinks, chemicals, machines, CNC tools, and shop and installation. You'll want to access the categories by using this method when you want to have an overview about it and explore all of its subcategories. For example, if I click on the abrasives icon, I will be directed to a page where the category is dissected, showing its description, its main subcategories with the featured products from it, and the possibility of browsing each subcategory. Let's assume I'm looking for a blade. So I can click on the Browse Blades button, and I'll be directed to a new page where all the blades are. And here, we'll be able to browse all the blade subcategories, together with the actual products of the category. You can browse the complete category using the navigation at the bottom, or just click on one of the subcategories for refining your search. If you enter into a subcategory, you can find more subdivisions or the actual products, depending on the product line you are dealing with. Soon, we'll talk about how to select and buy a product. But first, let's talk about the 2 other ways of browsing our catalog. The second method for finding products is through the home page too. So let's click on the USA Granite Tools logo or on the home menu to return to the home page. Once there, you'll see below the category icons 6 images, 1 per each category that function as buttons. If you click on one of them, let's keep with the abrasives category, you'll be directed to its main category page. There, just like in the blades page we explored in the previous method, you can see all the abrasive subcategories, which you can click to enter at any time, below the actual products. You must use this method when you want to explore the subcategory or subcategory directly. For the first method, please remember the icons directed us to a page when the category was displayed. So that method is used for getting to know better our categories. Hence, you will want to use this second method once you are more familiar with the category. The 2 methods we just explored can be used when you are at the home page. Third one, a very useful shortcut that can be used from any page on the website, will allow you to move between categories very fast. I'm talking about this button, named Shop by Category, which, as I said before, can be accessed from any page on the site. As soon as you hover your mouse over it, it'll open a menu with the main categories. And as you move your mouse over them, a new menu will open to the right showing its subcategories. If you click on any of them, you'll be directed to its category page. Let's try the blades category from here. Again, we're directed to the blades category page. With this, we've covered the 3 methods for browsing categories. Now, let's talk about finding a specific product. Let's suppose you're looking for a turbo blade. Instead of going to the diamond abrasives category, then to the blades subcategory, you can use the search facility that USA Granite Tools provides. For doing so, from any page, go to the top of it, where you'll find the search box. Enter some letters from the name of the product you're looking for, and the system will retrieve the matching products for you. For example, let's enter the word turbo. Immediately, the system presents a window with all the matching products, from where we can click the one we're interested in, and we will be directed to its product page. In this case, I selected the Cyclone Porcelain Tile Turbo Blade. Here, after the system redirected us, we can see its product page. You can use the search box in any page for finding any product by using generic names, if you have an idea about what you're looking for. Let's talk now about how to buy a product. There are 2 kinds of products in our catalog, fixed and variable. A fixed product is one that comes in only one presentation, like a variable speed grinding machine, while variable products are those that come in several presentations, such as the case of blades that come in different diameters. So, the first thing we need to do is to select the variation we need. In the case of a variable product, you will find 1 or more drop-downs where you can select the properties of the product you need. They'll be presented as a box, with a default option selected and a down arrow to the right, which you can click to see the available options and choose one. Let's choose one of the options. Please notice how the price changes as I do. Some products might have more than one of these boxes, indicating we should select a variation for every one of them, or accept the default. Once we've selected the options, we should enter the quantity, in case we need more than one unit of the product. And after that, we're ready to add the product to our shopping cart. We'll do that by clicking over the Add to Cart button. A message will appear at the top of the product page, indicating the product has been added to the cart. Also, a window showing the products in the cart will appear, and the total will be shown. From there, we can view the cart or go to checkout. Before going to the checkout stage, let's add some other products to the cart. Please allow me to illustrate another feature of our system, known as frequently bought together. As the name implies, those are products bought together with the porcelain tile turbo blade. Let's deselect some of them and add the remaining ones to our shopping cart. Again, a message indicates the products that were just added. If we want to see our shopping cart, we can click on the View Cart button, or just hover the mouse over the shopping cart icon, and a window showing its contents will appear. By clicking on the View Cart button, we will be directed to the cart page. In this screen, we can modify the quantities, remove products, make a quick calculation of shipping costs, or enter a promotional code if you got one in an email. Let's click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Checkout is very easy. If you're already registered, which is very recommended, you just click over the Click Here to Login link and enter your credentials. You can also log in by using your Facebook, Google+, or Twitter account. If you have a coupon, enter its code here, and then click on the Apply Coupon button. Then, check you choose all the products you need. Notice the system is already providing the free shipping option, as the order is over $299. Next, we need to enter the data that will be used for billing and shipping. So, we need to type your first and last name, company name if you want, main email address and phone number, country, billing address, city, state, and zip code. Let's check the Create an Account box and create a password. Once you create an account, the system will keep record of your data, so you won't have to enter it again. If you need to ship to a different address than your billing one, please specify it here. You can also add a note in case you need to. Now the system has updated the shipping options. The system presents us the free shipping option, which usually takes 3 to 5 days. If you need your order faster, you can upgrade the shipping method by selecting one of the available options. The final step is selecting the payment method. PayPal is selected by default, but there is a direct bank transfer that you should only use if you have already talked to us. After making a click accepting the terms and conditions, let's click on the Proceed to PayPal button, which will direct us to the PayPal screen, where I can make the payment in a 100% safe environment. If you already have a PayPal account, you can enter your credentials here, or if not, proceed to create an account, which will allow you to pay with your credit card or bank account in a completely safe manner. After that, your order will be created and you'll receive an email from USA Granite Tools confirming it. Please double check your junk folder if you can't find your confirmation email. And don't forget to register, which will give you many advantages in the future, not just for getting exciting info about our products and useful information that will help you increase your business productivity, but coupons and offers only available to our registered users.